Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the factorization of cubic expression. At first, we will discuss about when the cubic expression are in summation form. Okay, so factorization of sum of two cubic expression. Okay, so in order to be able to factorize this expression, we must know one formula, that is a cube plus b cube. It is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So using this formula, we can factorize any expression that are written as sum of two cubic expression. So here you can see one of the factor is a plus b, another factor is a square minus ab plus b square. So how to use this one? Let us solve problem number 1. In problem number 1, it is written 8x cube plus 27y cube. So we need to be able to write them in this shape. Okay, something whole cube plus something whole cube. So 8x cube, this can be written as 2x whole cube. Why? Because whenever we do the cube of 2, okay, it will give us 8, and x cube is x cube. Okay, so similarly, pause the video and think what we can write 27y cube. Okay, so many of you might have found out that this one can be written as 3y whole cube. 3 cube gives us 27 and y cube is y cube. So we have this in this shape, a cube plus b cube. Now all we need to do is just apply the formula. So here a is 2x and b is 3y. If I apply the formula a plus b, that means we have to write a plus b, that is 2x plus 3y. Then a square minus ab, a is 2x, so a square means 2x square, minus ab, a is 2x and b is 3y, plus b square, that means 3y whole square. Okay. 2x plus 3y, and then we have here 4x square minus 3 to the 6xy plus 9y square. So that will be our answer. Just simple application of the formula, right? Now let us see how we can solve number 2. So in number 2, you can see the question is given as x cube plus 1 by x cube. So x can be x cube is x whole cube, and 1 by x whole cube, we can write it in this way. Then we have a cube plus b cube in this shape. Again, we will apply the formula, that is a plus b. A is x and b is 1 by x. So a plus b means x plus 1 by x. Then a square minus a into b plus b square. Now we have to do the simplification. You can see that we can cancel x and x here, right? X and x, they will cancel each other. So we will be left with x square minus 1 here, minus 1 plus 1 by x square. If you want, you can rearrange this second and this factor by bringing 1 by x square in the middle. That's up to you, not necessary actually. So we can write this one as answer because we have shown it as the product of two factors plus. Okay. Then the third one is a little bit different, and the process is kind of opposite. How? Let me show you. Number 3 says x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 9. Okay, now we can write this in the shape of a formula. I hope you are aware of that. That is, another formula is there, that for a plus b whole cube, um, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so you can see that there is quite some similarity between the right hand side of this formula and the given expression, right? So let us try to follow that. This x cube can be written x whole cube plus, you can see we have to write 3a square. So a is x here, right? At first we have a cube, but here we have x cube. So a is x. So whenever we have to write a square, we will actually write x square. Then you have to check, we have to write b also. So what we should write b so that it matches with this one. Now see that we have already written 3x square and we have 3x square here exactly. So we cannot multiply anything different other than 1, because if you multiply by 1 then only it remains the same. Okay, so why did we multiply 1? Because we have to match this expression with this one, 3x square. So we already had 3x square. So we cannot make any kind of changes. So whenever we cannot make any kind of changes, but we have to multiply something, we multiply 1. Okay, so that tells us that b for our equation is 1. Okay, so b is 1. So let us continue. Then the next expression term is 3ab square. 3 into a is x and b, we already got to know that b is 1, so b is square. Then plus we have b cube, so b cube, b is 1, so b cube is 1 cube. Now there is a little bit of problem. Okay, oh, we did not check this one whether it matches with this one or not. 1 square is 1, so 1 into 3, 3, and x is there, so 3x, it's fine. But problem is here, you can see 1 cube, it will be 1, but what we have here, we have 9. So I need to add 8 with this one so that it becomes 9. Okay, remember we have to do this balancing. If this constant term was 1, then it would match and we would not have to add anything, but as it's not matching, we have to balance it. Now the first part, this part, hmm, this part is in this shape, right? So we can write this one equal to a plus b whole cube. So a is x and b is 1. So a plus b whole cube means x plus 1 whole cube, plus now 8. This 8, it can be written as 2 cube, right? So again we have now in this shape, see, a cube plus b cube, summation of 2 cube. So for this we can again apply this formula. Okay, so this, in this type of problem we might have to apply the formula several times, multiple times. So remember, this is a and this is b. Now a plus b, this is a plus then b, a plus b. In the bracket we will have a square minus a into b plus b square. Try to write in a single line, as I don't have a space I had to write in a second line. Then x plus 1 plus 2, it is 3, and then we have to expand this one using a plus b whole square formula. Let us do that. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2 into x, 2x, then minus plus minus, so 2 ones are 2, plus 2 square is 4. Okay. Simplification. So we have x square here, and you can see that 2 into x into 1, that is 2x, and this is minus 2x. So plus 2x and minus 2x, they will actually cancel each other. Then we have we are left with these constants. 1 square is 1, and this is plus 4. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5 minus 2, that gives us 3. That will be our answer. I hope the process is clear. If you have any doubt, kindly let me know to the comment section.